Alright guys, welcome back once again, and in this module I'm going to be talking on how you can get your Jumia affiliate links and how you can use them. Alright, so once you've created your Jumia affiliate account and you've logged in, this is what you're going to see as a new account. Alright, so from the left hand side you will see the performance, you see advertising, you see reporting, payment and support. So as a new account, what we have to do is head over to the payment to create your payment details. So once you start making money with the Jumia affiliate program, your account details is where they are going to send your affiliate income to. So you have to set that up. So in order to set this up, what you have to do is go to payment information. Alright, so once you've gotten to the payment information area from your Jumia affiliate dashboard, what you have to do is come to the country area, then choose your country. If you are based in Nigeria, then you have to choose Nigeria, and if you are based in whichever area you are based in, just simply put in the country you are based in. Alright, so in my case I'm going to put Nigeria. Then after that I'm going to select bank transfer. Alright, so account holder name, so this is going to be my name, which is going to be Olusola. The account number is going to be my account number. Okay, so I'm not going to put my account number, this is just a tutorial video, so you know your own account number, and this is where you're going to put your own account number. So after that, put your bank name here. If it's GT Bank, you can simply put the GT Bank here and the bank branch. Okay, if you create your account in Lagos, simply put the bank branch here. If it's in Lagos, put the Lagos address here, and if it's in Abuja, put the Abuja address here. Then finally the Swift code for your bank. Okay, so to get the Swift code, what you have to do is simply Google GT Bank Swift code. Alright, so as you can see, it's going to bring out the Swift code. So if your branch is in Abuja, okay, you're going to check the Swift code for Abuja, then your branch. Okay, and if it's in Lagos, irrespective of the state in Nigeria, you can find the Swift code detail for your bank account. And if you find it difficult to get it through Google, you can simply go to your bank and ask any bank official that you want your Swift code. So once you've gotten the Swift code, what you have to do is just enter the Swift code here and save the information. Alright, this is a tutorial, I'm not going to be putting it here, but in your own case, this is how you're going to do it. Alright, so once you are done with this, what you have to do is click the save button, and after that come back to the advertising, which is where you're going to get your affiliate link. Alright, so I'm going to click link builder so we can get our affiliate link. Alright, so in this case now, what I have to do now is click my country again. If you're in Egypt, click Jumia Egypt, and if you want to promote Jumia from Kenya, simply click Jumia Kenya. So based on the country you have, based on where you want to promote your Jumia product, click the country here. So in my case, I'm going to choose Nigeria because I'm promoting Jumia from Nigeria. Alright, so now this is where the trick is. Okay, this is where the trick is. Let's say you want to promote a certain product on Jumia. Okay, what you have to do is get the product URL, copy it, and come back to this place, paste the URL, paste the product URL here, and it's going to generate your own unique affiliate links for you. Alright, so this is how it works. Alright, so I'm going to be using this product link as an example: digital motor function infrared forehead thermometer. Alright, so this product goes for 17,800 naira. Alright, so if I want to promote this product, what I have to do is copy the link of this product. Okay, copy, then go back to my Jumia affiliate dashboard area, enter the URL here. Okay, then sub ID, affiliate ID, you can simply add anything here. So let me put Olushola. All right, Olusha. So this is my own unique affiliate link. All right, so this is the link I'm going to use to promote that product. So if I copy this link and paste it on my website, and anybody clicks this link to Jumia and buy the product, I'm going to get a commission for the product. All right, so I'm going to paste the product link here and test it if it works. Okay, so once you've been able to load the link, this is what you're going to get at the back of the link. All right, so this is how you're going to know your affiliate link is properly applied to the URL. So as you can see, question mark A equals to, now this is your own unique affiliate link. Now everything at the back of this HTML is your own unique affiliate links. All right, so now if I remove it, then reload it again, it's still going to load, but my affiliate link is not there again. Okay, so you want to make sure the affiliate link is at the back of this URL that ends with HTML. So this is how you know that your affiliate link is properly applied at the back. So any products they buy, so any product they buy on Jumia with this link is not going to make me a commission because my URL is not at the back, because my own affiliate link is not at the back of the URL. So you want to make sure your affiliate link is at the back of the URL. So this is basically how it works. So the next thing we want to do is see how the banner generator works. Okay, so next we have to go back to banner generator, and I'll also show you how you can copy banner codes and place them on your website. Okay, so what you simply have to do is click on Jumia Nigeria and copy your own preferred code. Okay, so depending on what you want to place on your website, if your website has to do with electronics, copy something like this or something like this if it has to do with electronics. So based on your website niche, choose the banner that's best speak for the content on your website and copy it, then paste them on your website. Okay, so let me use this as an example. I'm going to be using the television and audio category. Okay, so I'll be clicking on it, and this is what you're going to see after you've clicked on it. So this is a sample of what you could have on your website. Okay, so if this is not okay, you could increase it based on the pixel size. Okay, so let me simply click on this and see what it comes up. Okay, so I think this is okay. So if I want to copy this, what I have to do is go to the handle of the image URL, then copy the banner code. As you can see, banner code, so copy. So I'm going to copy the banner code, then go to my website and place it there. Okay, so what I have to do now is simply go to my appearance settings, then go to widget. Okay, so once it loads, what I have to do is scroll down, then go to text. Okay, then click right sidebar. Add widgets. Alright, so the widget has been added to my right sidebar. What I have to do is paste the code here, and it's going to display on my website. Okay, so I can simply give it a name, Jumia, then click the test. Okay, all right, so I'm going to paste the code here now. All right, so click save. All right, so what I have to do now is click on the done button. So everything is added to my website. Okay, so to be sure that it has been added to your website, click on let's visit the site and see for ourselves. Okay, so this is the website. Let me simply scroll down. All right, as you can see, up to 40% off on television and audio. Okay, so everybody that clicks on this banner and goes to Jumia, whatever it is they buy on Jumia, I'm going to earn a commission on it. All right. So let me click on the post and also show you how it's going to display. All right. So as you can see, it's very big and obvious. Okay. So and it's very attractive. So people reading my content could see this and they'll be like, okay, let me see what is going on here. So once they click on it, it's going to redirect them to Jumia. Okay, as you can see, they are on Jumia website, and no matter what they buy, I'm going to earn a commission on every single product they buy. So this is basically how it works and how you can use your Jumia affiliate link. So once you start using the links, if you want to monitor your affiliate performance, what you have to do is go back to the affiliate dashboard and click on the performance button. So this is a new account, it's not going to show much of anything, okay? So but once your account is up and running, you can monitor everything from here. So once you are here, simply click on Nigeria, then click on the apply button. Alright, so since it's a new account, you can't see anything. So this is basically how it works and how you can get your affiliate links and use them properly. Okay, so thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one.